In this video I will show you how to stake Sui so you can turn your crypto holdings into a source of passive income. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So if you are already familiar with the basics, feel free to skip ahead to the staking part. But if you are brand new to staking, it's just a simple process of locking up your cryptocurrency so you can support the blockchain and earn rewards in return. To get started, you will need a gem wallet. If you don't have gem wallet yet, you can get the official download links on gemwallet.com. It's available for both Android and iOS. Once you install gem wallet, you'll have to get some Sui. If you cannot find Sui on the main token list, click on the options menu in the top right corner and search for Sui. And just click on the slider to enable Sui. Now you can go back to the main token list, and here you can see Sui. There are two ways of getting Sui to your gem wallet. You can first buy Sui with a credit card, and we already created a detailed guide on buying cryptocurrencies inside of gem wallet using your credit card. You can find the video right here in the cards. And the second method to receive Sui is just to send it from your different wallet or centralized exchange. To see your wallet address, just click on receive and make sure to send Sui to this address. Once you get some Sui inside your gem wallet, you can begin staking. Just tap on stake, and here you can see what is the current APR. For now it's 3.62%, and keep in mind that APR can change over time. And below you can see what is the lock time. For Sui it's only 1 day, and lock time is just the duration between your stake assets are inaccessible after you decide to unstake them. And to stake your Sui, just once again click stake, and now you have to specify the amount of Sui you would like to stake. Today I will just stake 1 Sui to show you how the process looks like. And below you can choose your validator. Just tap on Evertake, and automatically gem wallet is going to pick the validator who gives you the highest APR. As you can see, most validators have the same APR, however, it's not always the case. And if you prefer to choose a different validator, just pick them from the list. And keep in mind that different validators can have different commissions for staking. So if you want to learn more about it, you have to do your own research on Google, because this information is not currently available straight inside of gem wallet. But let's say, for the sake of this tutorial, we'll stick to Evertake. So once you specify the amount of Sui and you chose your validator, just click continue. And below you can see what is the current network fee to actually stake our tokens, because every single transaction on the blockchain requires you to pay a fee. And if everything is correct, just click confirm. And below you can see our transaction. We staked 1 Sui. So now every single day I'll earn extra Sui for staking my tokens. And if you want to unstake your tokens, just select stake, and below you can see the validators you sent your tokens to. The current status of my stake is activating, because you have to stake for the entire epoch, and the next one will start in about 2 hours and 17 minutes, and 1 epoch in Sui lasts around 24 hours. So after my stake tokens get activated, I will be able to unstake them. And once again you'll have to pay a transaction fee to unstake your tokens, and you also will need to wait additional 1 day, because the lock time for Sui is 24 hours. So now you know everything you need to know to start staking Sui inside of gem wallet. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss any future tutorials, and you can check out our playlist with all the gem wallet tutorials.